Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're like me and want to have the beauty of flowers in your home all year round, you have got to check out these beautiful forever flowers that I got from TOPIA. These have absolutely beautiful gradient colors. I got the orange ones. In the middle of the flower is a little bit of a lighter orange, then it goes to like a yellow green and then into this brilliant orange color. But even on the outer petals, you can see that there's still a variation of color that makes it look lifelike. The stems have wires in them, so that makes it nice because then you can bend and shape them into whatever position you want. I also found that cutting the stems was easy, so I just used a pair of scissors to cut through the green material, and then the wires just snapped at that point. I used these recently to help decorate for a baby shower. Everyone was blown away by how gorgeous they are. Some of the flowers did have a very fine kind of cobweb-like piece of plastic on it, and that was easy just to pull away, but these are very secure, very well made. These absolutely exceeded my expectations. I think that you're going to love them as much as I have, and that's my point of view.